Let me ask you this. What if I told you that simply holding Bitcoins for at least 4 years could double your investment? Sound good to be true, right? But history doesn't lie. Today, I'm going to show you how Bitcoin's unique cycles have consistently rewarded long-term holders and what this means for you as an investor. Stick around because by the end of this talk, you will see why patience pays in Bitcoin. Bitcoin history shows an undeniable pattern. If you hold for at least 4 years, one full market cycle, you almost always double your investment. Let's touch on some data. From 2013 to 2017, Bitcoin rose from around $13 to nearly $20,000 per coin. That's more than 1,500 times increase. From 2017 to 2021, Bitcoin went from roughly $1,000 per coin to an all-time high of $64,000, over 60 times growth. Even after the 2022 dip, by 2024, Bitcoin surged past $99,000 per coin during this cycle, continuing its upward trajectory. The key takeaway: long-term holders, those who stick it out for at least 4 years, have consistently been rewarded. Every 4 years, the reward for mining new Bitcoin is halved, reducing the supply of new coins. When supply shrinks and demands stay stronger or even grows, prices naturally rise. Think of it like this. Imagine a rare painting that's already valuable. Now imagine no new paintings from the artist are ever created again. The demands remain, but the supply shrinks. That's what Bitcoin's halving does to its market. The most recent halving in April 2024, this year, reduced the block reward from 6.25 BTCs to 3.125 BTC. Historically, these events have preceded major bull runs, as we've seen in every cycle so far. More players mean more possibility. Here's where it gets even more exciting. This cycle isn't just about Bitcoin's halvings anymore. It's about who's buying. BlackRock, the world's largest assets manager, has launched a Bitcoin's ETF, allowing institutional investors to get exposure. BlackRock iShare Bitcoin Trust already manages over 350,000 Bitcoins. MicroStrategy, led by Michael Saylor, now holds 386,700 Bitcoins and keeps buying. Rumble Video recently added Bitcoins to its treasury, and even smaller companies are jumping in. These institutional players aren't just buying, they're holding. This reduces the circulating supply, amplifying the scarcity effect and potentially driving prices up even faster than in the previous cycles. So what does all of this mean for you? Simply put, holding Bitcoin for the long term is one of the most proven strategies. If institutions and whales are confident enough to stack Bitcoins for years, shouldn't you be? The best part? You don't need to be a billionaire to benefit. Even small investor stacking Satoshis regularly can tap into this cycle of growth. Every Satoshi matters because as supplies dwindles and adoption grows, the price per Bitcoin is likely to rise, making even a small amount of Bitcoin very valuable. All right, guys, a quick disclaimer. Remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So always do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. So what's next? Looking ahead, Bitcoin's adoption is accelerating faster than ever. Governments like the US are even exploring building a Bitcoin reserve, potentially building up to 1 million Bitcoins if legislation like the Bitcoins Act passes. If that's happened, other countries may rush to buy Bitcoins before the US corners the market. This isn't just speculations, this is the beginnings of a global financial shift. And as a small investor, you're positioned to be part of it. History has shown that holding Bitcoins through its 4-year cycles is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. With more players in the games, institutions, corporations, even governments, the futures for Bitcoins looks brighter than ever. Patience isn't just a virtue here, it's the keys to prosperity. If this talk helped you see the bigger picture, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Let's build wealth together, guys, one Satoshi at a time. And remember, hold tight and stack it right. Take care. I will see you in the next video.